Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your messages in the Temu app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we can shop. From here we just go into the U menu, and here at the very top we find messages. We tap on this, and here we have all the messages that we have. Here we have promotions, and these are the offers that we get from the app. And then we have orders and shipping. So if we bought something on the app, we can see it here as a message. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.